Today we're going to look at how to make sense of the brackets and harnesses to hook up different things for John Deere GPS. It seems like there's more people looking at this to put on older machines, smaller machines, non-John Deere products like tractors and things like that. So essentially we made this spreadsheet to try to make sense of it. We sell hundreds of items for GPS, trying to narrow it down to a few items. On the left-hand side here, column B is just brackets, so please look at that. Anything with a link to it here just brings you down into the spreadsheet down lower. Click on that link, so anything red, click on it, go down to the bottom here. It shows you what that kit's made of. Scroll back up again, pick another item. Look at the descriptions, we'll be making them better in the future. Also, there's links to YouTube videos I made for example, hooking up a John Deere receiver to a Bourgault drill. That's how you do that here with this harness to repin it. So please check that out. Click on the YouTube, and it opens it up to a link to the YouTubes.
This is the PF90350.
So have a look at that. See what you think of it. Anything in red, once again, you can click on. You can also go to the attachment farm link here to that website. We do have some brackets in there. There's quite a few of them on descriptions. I wanted to bring your attention over to the miscellaneous harnesses. If you're looking at hooking up anything to a John Deere that's older or a non-John Deere like a Case or a New Holland four-wheel drive, that would be this top one, 8000 series and 7000 series row crops here. There's your ISO connection, which means if you're connecting to something with a John Deere rate controller at the back, even if it's just a red drill, with the John Deere rate controller, you need this harness, this whole thing. Please click on this YouTube. It describes everything in that kit and more. So look at that. Please check it out. If you want just a basic, generic, I want to hook up GPS to a non-John Deere just to steer or just use it for guidance, which means you're mapping a boundary. Check out this YouTube here. This gets you a different kit that's just basic, describes what it is. There's the part number, but also please check out the YouTube because then you know what's in that kit. It only takes a few minutes of your time. So example of other parts takes you to another non-John Deere site. You can check it out. If you're hooking up an ATU 300, I'm going to include a different sheet, but try these ones down here. It describes what is an ATU 300. There's the hubs that you can use for different things. But this one here in the middle, ATU lookup for the sheet, check it out. It talks about each machine. There's quite a few of them here. What do I need? Basically, you need to look at the kits involved with the harness. I'm going to make another little picture here eventually, and I'll show you what you need basically for an ATU to fit anything, but you'll have to look up the individual parts for the descriptions of the part numbers. But there's a few moving parts here. I think we figured out about 6 different parts you need if you don't get the kit. Check out the main sheet, see what you think.